So here's a pincushion flower, and I'm guessing it's called that because these look like little pincushions. Super cute. I like to leave the pincushions there at the end of the season, but when it's mid-season, I just pinch them off at the end of the stem, and that way the little bush, I guess it's called, looks tidy and it strengthens the new buds. So, oops, you can do this with scissors or some kind of a tool, but it's so easy just to quickly do it by hand. There, and what's left is flowers, which these aren't looking that great, so I'll take those off too, and buds. Super cute.